Residents of the Western Bhoi district gathered at the office of the Sub-Divisional Officer Civil Sub-Divisional Patarkhma to rally and submit a petition regarding the recent arrest of Bakstar Dingdo from Belahari village in Jirang constituency by the Assam Forest Police. Later, the delegation met the Deputy Commissioner of Bhoi, Abhilash Baranwal, in his office chamber at Nongpok. Further, their meeting, the leaders of the delegation informed media persons that the Bhoi Deputy Chief Minister, Deputy Commissioner, assured them that he would take this matter with the counterparts from Assam.
Ba habre bat katukan jingja kabang paiba berkoi dikit ke jingja kem jong Bakstar Indo ha kata forest jong Assam bat mentai le kendu yang Deputy Commissioner jong Bhoi district halor jong ka jingja ba dawai u bat laleng ju ong ba kaboston kolong laleng ju ong ba mentah sni lane wasai ba une Bakstar Indo un salait no nakakti jong ka pulit Assam.